guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe down below. My name's Tasha. In today's video I just want to come on and talk about level 2 beauty therapy. So if you are new here, don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it, and please also subscribe down below because it absolutely means so much to me. So the main reason I wanted to come on and talk about this was because I wanted to give you guys some advice, because I know there isn't much out there on YouTube that could help you decide whether you want to go and do this course or not. So basically I just want to tell you guys about it. So first things first, you are never too old to do this course. So even if you're like in your 30s, you're just never too old to do this course. So you can just always go back to university and do this if you missed out on colleges. But I'm just doing it at college. At first I was like, I really didn't want to do it because I was shy and I was worried that I wouldn't make any friends. But you know what, just keep your head held high, you will make friends. And yeah, it's just a nice experience. I made 6 new friends this year and I'm very happy about that. Obviously it's different because of COVID, so now we have to work at home. So basically we just do all the practicals on our family and stuff. But normally you would have clients from outdoors, like the public, and you'd work on those. But because of COVID, when we were in the salon, we were obviously working on each other. So obviously if that ever happens to you, you do get the experience and qualifications for it as well. So if you are not very good with one-on-one people, like talking and stuff, like, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you just want it for like new makeup skills, waxing skills and stuff like that, like you want to do it on yourself or whatever, then it's still a good idea to take the course if you really want to know more about beauty. So yeah, you do different stuff. So you do your waxing, your makeup, eye treatment, so like putting individual lashes on and tinting your lashes and eyebrows and stuff like that. You wax all parts of your body, like your armpits, full legs, chin, lip, and other areas like that, like bikini line. You do a bit of all sorts, to be honest. You also do facial stuff, so you get all of the kit for that, as you guys have probably seen in my other video if you have seen it, but if not I will link it down below. You also learn about the contraindications, like infections and stuff like that. You'll learn about like spots, styes and stuff you may find on clients' faces and what to do with it. That you could recommend them to their local doctor or GP. So yeah, you learn a bit of all sorts. So yeah, this is the textbook you will get. Just all about VRQ, beauty therapy level 2. So you get this. So you will learn about working in the beauty salon industries and stuff like that. Salon reception duty, so you have to do like a bit of the reception and stuff. So yeah, it just tells you everything, so like how to remove wax and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a pretty good course if you want to do it. My confidence has grown so much doing like YouTube and stuff like that. You do have to talk to people because it boosts your grades and stuff like that. So for now I'm gonna log on my laptop and show you guys all the little courses in detail and all the work you have to do. So you do have to do quite a bit of work, but don't worry, as it is actually quite easy if you pick up on beauty quite well. So yeah, I will show you guys that now. So since I'm doing work at home, we have this Group B lockdown classroom where I work 3 times a week. We just do like little quizzes and stuff like that. And then I also have a direct study because I don't do maths or English. And then this is the create an image tile that I will talk a bit about now, and then also talk about it a little bit further on in the video. So this is the create an image tile. So you do like your front cover page with lots of images, you choose your theme inspiration, you do like links to songs, poem and movies, you do your research about it and history, you choose makeup, hair, makeup ideas, lip stuff, swatches and stuff like that. You choose clothing ideas, you sketch some clothing ideas, you do some nail ideas, you pick jewellery and stuff like that. So yeah, and you actually create this. So it's just like stuff to put in your scrapbook, which you will do at the end of your course. And then you also have anatomy and physiology, which is all about the bones and muscles and stuff like that. And then further down you have all about waxing treatments and little things to fill out and everything about bones and everything as well, and how to do it. All about the pedicure, manicure, eye treatments, you get facial treatment as well, makeup, just everything really. You just get work on every single topic. I've completed most of the topics now though. I've just got the facial unit to do, makeup to do, and create an image. That's all I've got to do really. And then in this e-learning section you just get your contraindications, all about infections, viral infections and stuff like that, bacteria and stuff like that, like you might see on a client's face, like size, spots and everything. You also get a little health and safety section you have to fill out, a professional basics section you have to fill out, and just like all of that, like facial treatments, eye treatments and everything like that. So yeah. So for facials you need to know what skin type they are, so like oily, combination or dry, because obviously you don't use the same product for each and every skin type, so yeah. And then for makeup you do an occasion look, a daytime look and a wedding makeup look. So yeah, I would class this, what I've got on now, as like a daytime look. So yeah, just something similar to this, but like yeah. So you do different ones and you learn about like which look is which. And then at the end of the course you do like a create an image course, and you have to do like a scrapbook and everything, which is like I showed you when I had my computer on. So yeah, so you do like a full-on scrapbook. So you just want a scrapbook like this. Mine's just plain black, has a tie detail, and mine's just all black pages. So we are getting onto this, doing this at college soon. Obviously we're working it from home, so unfortunately for me I will need a printer, but when we go back to college, for people who don't have a printer, they can just print it all off and then stick it in. So yeah, I've got this ready, and I will also show you guys what I've picked out. So this is everything I've printed off so far. So I want to do like a candy makeup inspired looks. So for each thing you have to pick out different looks and everything. So I've got literally a few. You have to do like lip designs and stuff like that. So yeah. You also have to do like people's hair, people's nails, and you have to do like an outfit as well. So yeah. And this will probably be like something from a final piece, so you've just got like massive designs all over the face. And yeah, I'm doing like candy inspired like look. So I'll probably do like sprinkles and everything, multicoloured nail gel or something like that. But yeah, very colourful makeup I'm doing. So yeah, like the more out the box you are, the more likely you will definitely get better grades. Obviously if you're doing the same as someone else, it can be a bit difficult, as you can fall into the route of thinking like they're better than you and everything, and copying their designs and stuff like that. So I've tried to think out of the box, and I'm doing bright makeup, and I'm pretty sure no one else has chosen this. So yeah, I really have to look into this one. Most people are doing like 80s looks and stuff like that. I think someone's doing a Disney look and stuff. So you can basically choose what you want to do. But yeah, the more creative you are, the higher grade you will get. So yeah, my advice is, if you think level 2 beauty is not for you, then there is the level 1 course as well. Which is a bit more chill. If you are a bit more of a chill person and you just want to understand the course a bit more. But obviously you have to understand that people in level 1 mess around a bit more, because yeah, they just do. As when I first got to college, I've seen all the level 1 people and just all messing about and stuff, whereas I was in the level 2 course and everyone's just like very responsible in there and everything. Like, lots of people like to mess around, so you just have to kind of find the group of friends right for you, which I did that. So yeah, but it is a great course if you want to do that. I will insert a little clip of the book now and everything that's in it. Excuse that, that's just my dog barking. And yeah, so I'll insert a little clip of that now. So this is what the textbook looks like. So just a few little pages on, you have a contents page with everything in it. So working in beauty related industries, health and safety practice, client care and communication, promote products and services, facial skincare, removing hair, using waxing, and just stuff like that. That's just a random page. All about the author page, how to use the textbook page, and then just like little bits of information in it, questions, stuff about manicure, test yourself questions, and just info about products and stuff like that. Just more info, aftercare and home care advice stuff, waxing advice, and just general advice on like every single topic in this course. You don't do nails on this course. You have to take another course for that, which I'm going to do next year. So I'm going to take the nail course next year. Then you also just get these 3 little booklets. So you get one on autonomy, I can never say that right, a lesson activity pack, and an e-learning and independent study pack. So you just work on these in class with your class teacher, and then you get little information like this. This is what you have to fill out in lessons when you're working on clients. So you have to fill out all of this using the pink slips which are next to it, and then the client has to sign it and give you feedback and everything. And this is just aftercare treatment advice for everything. This is just a diagram of how to set up. You will probably understand when you actually do it. And this is just the consultation questions and analysis questions that were for that sheet before that, where I said about the client signing it and everything. So yeah, you just ask the client these questions. A bit more on how to set up a trolley, how to wax properly and which sections to do it in. And then you get also a bit on pedicure routine, how to do it, like you do one leg first and then you do the other, or you can do them at the same time. And then yeah, and there's just another little thing to show you how to fill out for eye treatments and stuff like that. So yeah, and then also shows you how to wax the legs and the proper direction. So yeah. So you do get a few booklets to fill in and stuff like that, and you get to know like aftercare advice and how to fill it in and stuff like I've just shown on the video before. So Beauty level 2 is a really good experience, and I do recommend it if you are interested in this. Just go for it. Honestly, you've got this. So yeah, this was my little video on level 2 beauty therapy and what it's about and what you have to do and stuff. So if you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe down below, as it means so much to me. And we're on the journey to 600 subscribers, and I'm so grateful. Like, honestly, my confidence has grown so much throughout this year. And honestly, college is just such a good experience, so get out there and do what you can do. That's all you can do, really. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.